Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you a sewing tutorial for my Giulia Bikini top. This version doesn't include a twist at the front. Instead, it has a simple square neckline and gives you a bit more coverage. So if you want to see how to make this version, just keep on watching. I'm going to use a swimwear fabric in this beautiful vibrant pink color. I'm going to start with the straps and fold them in half and sew them together with the elastic and a zigzag stitch. Next, I'm going to take my loop turner and turn the straps to the right side. Then I'm going to cut it in half to make 4 straps in total. Now moving on to the front panel, you can also create some ruching at the front if you like. This bikini design is very customizable, so you can really adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to pin the side seams together on both the main fabric and the lining, and then sew them together using a zigzag stitch. Next, I'm going to place the 2 front pieces together, right sides facing each other. I'm going to insert the straps at the front and at the back and clip them in place.
Told you I would come, didn't I? Sure as the morning light. I told you I would run, didn't I? Even after all this time, been waiting on you to call.
Then I'm going to clip the rest of the bikini together, making sure to match the side seams. I'm going to push the straps inside and leave a small opening at the bottom so I can turn everything to the right side.
You don't have to front, even in the thick of it. You know what I want.
Trim away the excess seam allowance, just be careful not to cut through any seams. Through that small opening at the bottom, I'm going to turn everything to the right side. As the last step, you just have to top stitch that gap that we left or hand stitch it if you wanted to make it invisible. Then for the straps, you can simply tie a knot on each end and that's your bikini ready. Honestly, it's so simple, but it looks so beautiful. I also really like having this option because it gives you a little bit more coverage, like I said. You can almost wear this bikini as a top during the summer because it's just so cute, and I love the back of the top. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
me.